Today I'm going to show you how to make my favorite yogurt, which is thick and beautiful and luxurious and just waiting for honey and granola or anything you really like. I'm simple. So to kick things off, I had boiled some water in my pot because it's very important that you sterilize whatever you're going to be using. That's a crucial step. And so the pot I'm using to cook was sterilized, as well as any tools that I will be using. So here I use a liter of full fat milk. That's another very important step. And you want to then heat this milk to about 85 degrees Celsius. Keep stirring the milk as it cooks. And once it gets to 85 degrees Celsius, take it off the heat, and now you want to just cover it and let it cool down. We're doing the complete opposite. So let it cool down to about 45 degrees Celsius. Those two steps are super crucial, so please don't skip them. And then, this is a bit strange, but you do need to get a yogurt to make yogurt. I then use a good quality thick yogurt, and all you need is about a tablespoon. You can put 2 if you want as well, but all you really need is 1 tablespoon, and you want to mix that in very well. All that's left to do now is cover it in a very thick blanket and then put it in a cooler box. Because you want it to maintain that temperature for at least 8 hours. I left mine for up to 12 hours because I went to sleep and it was still perfectly fine. So fairly simple so far, right? And I kid you not, that's literally all you have to do. Just follow these steps and make sure that the yogurt you start with, the little tub, is a good, thick, quality yogurt so that you can end up with something just like what you see here. And if you want it even thicker, then you can use a cheesecloth to strain it and remove any of the excess whey, which is very good to drink, by the way, so don't throw the whey away. Oh, that's a lot. Okay, so now all you have to do is put your favorite toppings. Honey, granola works great, or even just melted jam. The simple things in life. Let me know how you like your yogurt, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!